mention the other partners, most especially the local government unit of Sultan Kudarat, represented here by Mr. James Ebrio. Malaki pong tulong ng provincial government, no? Hosting of the International Coffee Summit, Sir Jung, then the support to the coffee processors na pumunta kung saan mang competition and even sa participation for these treasures in Iloilo. We also have the support of the provincial government. We can always bank on the support of the PAGU, no? And we would like to highlight on that. So, yun po, from Itay Sultan Kudarat. Thank you.
Next from Sir Ferdinand.
Maraming salamat po sa ating media partners. So, for the province of South Cotabato, it is officially known as the land of the Dream Weavers. No, it refers to the Tinalak Lot. So, for South Cotabato, of course, when you talk of Mount Matutum, that is South Cotabato and Mount Matutum, at the foot of Mount Matutum would be the best pineapple by Dole. So, among the 20 participants also, we have 7 craftsmen from Lake Cebu, home of the Great Lakes of the Philippines. No, one of the most preserved cultural tradition by our IP, the Tibuli people of Lake Cebu and the municipality of Tibuli also. So, there are 7 of them from Lake Cebu. So, you will see, anong sabi ni Artie kanina, the best Tinalak cloth. It is called the land of the Dream Weavers because the pattern of the Tinalak cloth is not the same. It depends on what the weaver dreams, no? And that is what he weaves in the following. So it is being inputted into the design. So please support all of the 60 Region 12 exhibitors bukas, no? So Western Visayas, I know it's a very rich region, particularly the city of Iloilo, not only the city of love, but according to Eddie, no? It is the second richest city in Visayas, Mindanao. So that is most probably the reason why we are here. Because the people of Iloilo are very good buyers and they can afford our products. Thank you.
Before RD, let's have Mr. Robert Alfresco from Cotabato Province.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. My gabi. So, yes, other than the coffee and coffee of Sultan Kudarat and tuna of General Santos City, we also have other products from the province of Cotabato. One of our, going back to the question earlier on the best practice, we teach our farmers to add value to their products. So, that is why our cocoa sugar from Cotabato province is now exported. We also have chocolate products, 5 chocolate products from Cotabato province. We have coconut products like BCO. We have cocoa sugar. We have other coconut products and products na out of yung coconut daw is tree of life. So may mga handicraft tayo made of coconut shells. Yan. So other than coconut products, we also have other processed fruits. Kasi Kinabawan City is considered as the city of fruits and highland springs, being situated or located at the foot of Mount Apo. So we also have si Sultan Kudarat, may Arabica. Si Cotabato province, we have si SK merong Robusta. Si Cotabato province, we have Arabica. We have very good Arabica coffee for sale tomorrow. Hubi for sale. So, meron ding sample. Sample din. Coffee Arabica from the foot of Mount Apo. Yan. And yes, other than that, si Cotabato province kasi is known for our rubber. So more on industrial crops, no? Rubber, we also have damo gihapon mag-aralan sa Cotabato province. Kasi we have Sugar Central in Cotabato province. We have CPO mill, palm oil mill in Cotabato province out of our palm oil trees, and sugar cane, of course, ano ba? So yun yung mga major crops, but yes, we assist MSMEs add value to our agricultural products. That is why we have 14 MSMEs who will be exhibiting their products for sale here in Iloilo City. And I would like to take this opportunity also to thank our beloved Governor, Gov. Emilu Lalatalinyo Mendoza, for supporting our MSMEs nga makaabot din sa Iloilo City. Some of our MSMEs were sponsored by our provincial government para madala ang lahat produkto diri sa Iloilo City. So madamong gid salamat o maayong gabi.
Thank you, Sir Robert. Now we have Maria Teresa Chua.
Okay, so muli po, nagpapasalamat kami and humihingi po kami ng inyong suporta para po ma-disseminate ng mabuti at gusto yung ating event na magsisimula tomorrow. Yung aming, yung aming theme is anchored sa mga salitang ito. Buy local, be vocal. So, ito po yung pagkakataon na we will be celebrating Region 12's culture and yung ating local pride. So, para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, meron po tayong activities araw-araw, yung tinatawag na packet events. So, for tomorrow po, yun yung pinagmamalaki nating sashimi, no? For the day 1. And then day 2, we will have live brewing ng coffee, no? Other than our region, no? Yung aming pride ng Region 12, yung aming consistent winners sa PCQC. And also, on the 3rd day, featuring coconut naman po, no? So, iba't ibang klaseng luto sa gamit ang coconut and the processed fruit of Region 12 naman sa pang-apat na araw. At lastly, yung paano ginagawa yung tsokolate ng Region 12. Yun po.